Welcome to today's discussion, and thank you for always joining us in our discussions. Today we are going to look at Form 3 Mathematics under compound interest, and the question we have reads: Karaoke deposited shilling 20,000 in a fixed deposit account for a period of 18 months. The bank pays compound interest on quarterly basis, i.e. after every 3 months, and at the end of this period, Karaoke's account had shilling 46,200. Determine the rate at which interest was paid. So let us look at the solution to this question. Remember, this is compound interest, and compound interest is calculated using the formula, that is, amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r divided by 100 raised to power n, where n stands for the number of interest periods, r stands for the rate of interest, p for the principal, and a for amount. We are told Karaoke deposited 20,000 shillings, so the amount deposited is the principal, and the principal is 20,000. It was deposited for 18 months. So if the period this amount stayed in the bank is 18 months, and we are calculating interest after 3 months, so in 18 months we have 1.5 years. That means in 1 year that has 12 months, the interest is going to be compounded 4 times. That is, you take 12 divided by 3, which will give you 4. Then the other 6 months, that is half an year, we will also compute it 2 times, giving us the number of interest periods to be 6, and therefore our n is 6. Then the rate of interest is what we are supposed to look for. But we know after the period of 18 months, the total amount of money that was in the bank was actually 46,200 shillings. So from here we know amount, which is 46,200, is equal to the principal, which is 20,000, into 1 plus r divided by 100, we raise to 6. The first thing we are going to do, we divide both sides by 20,000, such that 20,000 and 20,000 cancels. If you take 46,200 divided by 20,000, that gives us 2.31, and 2.31 is going to be equal to 1 plus r divided by 100, everything raised to power 6. After that now, we are going to eliminate the power of 6 by getting the 6th root on both sides. That is, we take the 6th root on both ends, where the power of 6 and the 6th root cancels. So if we find the 6th root of 2.31, how do we get that? Simply press 6, then shift, you come to the raise button, that is the 6th root of 2.31, and that gives us 1.1497 as the 6th root of 2.31, and this one is going to be equal to 1 plus r divided by 100. From there now, collecting the like terms, 1 moves to this other side where it becomes a negative. So 1.1497 minus 1 will be equal to r divided by 100. And in this case now, we know 1.1497 minus 1 will give us 0.1497. 1497, and this one is going to be equal to r divided by 100. We can rationalize this decimal into just by writing it over 1, and then we cross multiply such that 1 times r will give us r, and this one is going to be equal to 100 times 0.1497, which is going to be 14.97%, which is approximately 15% to the nearest whole number, which is approximately 15% to the nearest whole number. Thank you for watching and welcome.